It's time for board math, you guys. Hey, Leroy, turn this way. Look over here. Let's get started. Loud and proud, everyone. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Read with me. What number is it? 14. How do we write a 14? A 1 for the 10, a 4 for the ones, 14. What number comes next? 52, 53, 54. How do we write a 54? A 5 for the 10, a 4 for the ones, 54. 35, 40, 45. How do we write a 45? A 4 for the 10, a 5 for the ones, 45. First grade work, you guys. Keep it up. How many do you see? It's a beautiful heart. Let's go ahead and start. Let's start right here in the down part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How do we write a 14 again? A 1 for the 10, a 4 for the ones, 14. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Okay, looking at these, there's two numbers. Are they equal? Are they the same? No, they look a lot alike. They both use a 2 and a 1. But this is two 10s and one 1. This is one 10 and two 1s. So, the question is, which one is greater? Which one's bigger? 21. That's right. So we eat that, and let's say it. 21 is greater than 12. Number sentences. 3 plus 5 equals. Remember that plus tells us to put together. Quick mental math. Fingers or pictures. Starting with 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus means more. How many more? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good. Here we go. 5 plus 3 equals. Remember, look at that symbol. Mental math. Fingers. Pictures. Start with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus means more. How many more? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. If you remember, we just did the other opposite. In plus, you can switch them because you're just putting them together. Okay? Good job, you guys. One more. Here we go. 5 minus 3 equals. Quick mental math. Fingers or pictures. Start with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus means to take away. How many do we take away? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. We just did this with the plus. Minus, plus. It changes the answers and what you have to do. So please be careful, boys and girls. How many in the 10 frames? We got our two 10 frames here. Top one's not full. Bottom one's empty. So how many in the 10 frames? Let's count what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 in the 10 frames. How many more to make 20? 20 is two 10s. So it has to be full. So let's fill it up. We got our 8. Let's fill it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How do we write a 12? 1 for the 10, 2 for the 1, 12. What shape is it? There's our picture. Pictures are hard to see with these three-dimensional shapes though, so here's a real one. What is it? Maybe you see one out in the road when they're doing construction. It's a cone. Cone. How do you know? Well, that right there is the first part that can tell you what it's a cone. It has a circle face. And it comes to a point. And then what can a cone do? With that circle face, it can slide. That's right. And if we turn it on its side, it can roll. It's got a curved side, so it can roll. And then what can it not do? It only has one face, one flat face, so it cannot, no stack. Yeah, it cannot stack. Job. What shapes do you see? Here we go, our last time through with this picture. Okay, the little girl's out there jumping down the rectangle steps. Next to the opening underneath the porch of all those little rectangles. She's next to the house number with a 4, and inside the 4 is a triangle. There's a window up here that's a square. Another window over here with 2 squares, but the 2 squares make a rectangle. The siding is rectangles. Hey, do you guys know what these posts are? We're going to be working on that next week. They're round around, got a circle face on top, a circle face on bottom. Those are called a cylinder. A cylinder. Okay, good job. Here's our word problem. Okay, remember we read through it 2 times and we get our answer. Here we go. Abigail has 6 dimes. Bridget gives Abigail 3 dimes. Bridget and Abigail go shopping. How many dimes does Abigail have now? Good, quick mental math, but let's go through it again now. Abigail has 6 dimes. Abigail has 6 what? Dimes. Bridget gives Abigail 3 dimes. So Bridget gives, so that means she's taking away from herself and giving, letting Abigail have them. How many? 3 dimes. Bridget and Abigail go shopping. Have fun, ladies. I'm not going with you. I'm not a big fan of shopping. How many dimes does Abigail have now? So we need to know how many dimes does Abigail, not Bridget, Abigail have now. So here we go again. Let's do this. Let's finish off strong. Started with Abigail. So there she is with her A. How many dimes did she start with? 6. So let's do our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she's got her 6 dimes. Bridget gives Abigail 3 dimes. So Bridget, do we know how many Bridget has? No, she's probably got a pocket full, don't you, Bridget? But she gives 3 of them to Abigail. So let's give Abigail 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Bridget and Abigail go shopping. Ladies, don't spend all your money. Save some, okay? How many dimes does Abigail have now? Well, we've got them all right there. How many does she have? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 6 plus 3 equals 9 dimes. Does it make sense? It does. Hey girls, can you get me a candy bar? Great job, you guys. Hey Leroyce, nice work. Keep it up, okay? Let's do this, everybody.